A business lands a massive new enterprise client or secures the board's approval for a major pivot to artificial intelligence. The milestone is celebrated, and then the operational reality sets in. That sudden victory instantly creates a critical vacuum. Overnight, the company needs a highly specialized team of data scientists and cloud infrastructure experts to actually deliver on what they just committed to. Attempting to anticipate this requirement by hiring permanent staff months in advance drives up fixed costs, burning through capital while those specialists wait for the actual project to begin. Waiting until the contract is signed triggers a massive recruitment bottleneck, stalling the initiative before the first line of code is ever written. Rapid expansion actively penalizes organizations that lack a flexible mechanism to deploy technical expertise precisely when a new requirement emerges. This flowchart maps the traditional hiring pipeline, defining a role, launching a search, and sourcing candidates. The process then stalls. Weeks are consumed screening resumes, coordinating interviews, and administering slow technical assessments. By the time a candidate is verified and hired, the business opportunity window has often closed entirely. The loss of momentum stems from the friction between the slow requirements of traditional hiring and the high-speed demands of modern execution. Escaping this operational bottleneck requires companies to rethink how they view their technical workforce. This visual represents the outdated headcount model. It forces leadership to ask a static question: how many permanent employees do we need on the payroll? A more agile approach discards that question entirely, asking instead, what specific technical capability do we need to execute this exact requirement? ExpertOnHire operates as a specialized engine designed to make this strategic transition a practical reality for growing companies. By structuring talent acquisition around immediate capabilities rather than fixed employee quotas, hiring becomes a flexible tool for maintaining operational momentum. ExpertOnHire collapses the standard recruitment timeline by deploying AI-assisted talent matching to instantly pinpoint the exact technical fit for a given project. Speed alone is insufficient. Securing a random body quickly does not solve a complex technical challenge. The value lies entirely in securing the exact right expert. To guarantee that fit, candidates undergo a rigorous validation process that relies on portfolio-based evaluations and structured technical assessments to prove their skills are authentic. This diagram illustrates the new pipeline. A specific business requirement maps directly to validated talent, providing the capability needed for immediate execution. This repairs the chain of execution, guaranteeing that specialized technical expertise is deployed at the precise moment a project demands it. This structural change in accessing talent applies directly across the entire spectrum of modern commerce. Startups and medium-sized businesses use this framework to acquire top-tier data engineers or cybersecurity professionals for critical sprints, avoiding the financial strain of maintaining large internal HR departments. Meanwhile, large enterprises leverage this exact same on-demand model to rapidly assemble specialized teams for complex tech transformations, bypassing the heavy friction of their own internal recruitment protocols. Missing the window for technical talent represents a significant failure in business capability that directly stalls growth. Critical growth opportunities rarely announce themselves months in advance. A massive new client account, a sudden product launch, or an urgent technology initiative can emerge overnight. The organizations that capture these opportunities are the ones that never have to put their ambitions on hold while they wait for talent to catch up. ExpertOnHire strips the noise out of the traditional hiring sequence, giving companies a clear, verified path to find talent, validate technical capabilities, and build highly effective teams exactly when they are required. By abandoning the slow headcount model in favor of on-demand capability, businesses finally align the speed of their talent acquisition